Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students interested in programming and software development tuning in. Learning Python can help you build programming skills, automate tasks, analyze data, and develop applications across a wide range of industries. Here's something helpful for you: Python Skillset Learning for students, information from Youthbuddy. To explore this, visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the Education section, open Skillset Learning under the IT and CS Courses Learning category, and select Python on that page. Python is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly programming languages in the world. Its simple syntax and wide range of applications make it an excellent choice for students starting their programming journey. The learning process typically begins with understanding the fundamentals of Python. Students should become familiar with variables, data types, operators, input and output operations, and the basic rules that govern how Python programs execute. Once the basics are clear, learners can move into control flow concepts. This includes conditional statements, loops, and logical decision-making. These skills help students create programs that can respond to different situations and automate repetitive tasks. Another important stage involves learning Python's data structures. Lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries allow programmers to organize, manage, and process data efficiently. Understanding when and how to use these structures is a key programming skill. Functions and modules play a major role in building reusable and organized code. Students should learn how to create functions, pass arguments, return values, and structure programs using modules and packages. As confidence grows, object-oriented programming becomes an important area of study. Concepts such as classes, objects, inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism help students design larger and more maintainable applications. File handling and error handling are also essential skills. Learning how to read, write, store, and manage data while handling unexpected situations helps create reliable programs. Python also provides a rich collection of built-in libraries that simplify many common programming tasks. Using these tools effectively allows students to write cleaner code and solve problems more efficiently. As learners advance further, they can explore topics such as generators, decorators, context managers, and other techniques used in professional software development. One of Python's greatest strengths is its versatility. Students can apply their skills to web development, data science, automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and many other fields. Practical projects are an important part of the learning process. Building applications, analyzing datasets, automating tasks, and experimenting with different libraries helps transform theoretical knowledge into practical experience. Consistent practice and real-world problem-solving are essential for developing strong programming skills. Over time, students can progress from writing simple scripts to creating sophisticated applications that solve meaningful problems. By following a structured learning path and regularly applying concepts through projects, students can develop a strong Python skill set. These skills can support future opportunities in software development, data science, automation, and many other technology fields. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the Education section on the Youthbuddy website. Open Skillset Learning under the IT and CS Courses Learning category and select Python on that page. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.